Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, before we proceed to our new lesson, Juliet, please lead the prayer.
Dear God, thank you for this wonderful day. May you continue to guide us and bless us. Amen.
Thank you. May you take a seat. Okay. Since I see that you all are present, I'm very happy for that because I hate absenteeism. Okay. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let's make a short recap of our lesson yesterday. So, yesterday we have discussed about hazards and risks. Okay. So, what is hazard again, Juliet?
Sir, hazard anything that can.
Yes, anything that can cause or harm us is hazard. How about risk, Micheline? What is risk again?
The probability that the person will harm.
Yes, that is caused by the hazard. That is the risk, the effects of the hazard. This is the risk that we can get from that hazard. Very good. And for today, moving on to our new lesson, I have prepared you a word puzzle. Word search. Okay, I have prepared here a word search paper and I will give you the words that you are going to find. There. Okay. This is the following words you're going to find. Okay, this is the rubrics. And this is the word I want you to find on that puzzle. Okay, for number one, pre-eds. I will give you 3 minutes because this is only 5 items. Lunula, matrix, nilbed, and critical. Okay, have you find them all there?
Yes.
Okay, very good. This is the. Would you like to point the lunula there, for example? Yes, it's the lunula. How about the pre-eds, Michelin? Ano guess ka? Yes. How about the matrix? This one, the matrix, right? And so forth. Okay. Based from those words you find on the activity, what do you think is our lesson for today? Those are what we call, those are parts of the, yes, or the structure of the nail. Okay. So, for further information about the structure of our nail, let's review. Oh my god. Okay, number one is the pre-ends. Look at your nails. Okay, this is the pre-ends. The tip of the nail is the pre-ends. Okay, let's see what pre-edge means. Okay, kindly read Julie Bear.
Free edge, the part of the nail that can be filed and shaped. It is an extension of the nail plate that overlaps the hyponucleus.
Okay, so this is the overlap. This is the pre-ends. Yan ba? Okay, that is the pre-ends. Okay. Next is the hyponeum. Say, let's read where it's located. Okay, next is the nail plate. Okay, it said that is visible nail that rests on the nail bed up to the free edge. This is made up of a dead cell and minimum amount of moisture. The nail is semi-transparent, allowing the color of blood supply on the dermis to show. So, the nail plate is under the, this one, the whole thing, this one, lying on the fingernails. Finger, I should say. This is the nail bed. The entire part of this inside is the nail plate. I should say nail plate. Next is the lunula. The pearly colored and the crescent shape is due to the cells being pushed closely together. The blood capillaries cannot be seen through the lunula because of this. So the lunula is the half moon. Look at your fingernails. This is the lunula. Okay? Next is the cuticle. The overlapping epidermis around the nail, it is the transparent skin which is called the true cuticle. So the cuticle is around here. This is the cuticle. Remember those parts. I will be asking you later on. Next is the hyponychium. It's the skin just under the free edge of your nail. So this one. After your free edge, the skin there is the hyponychium. Okay? Next. And then the nail walls. The folds of the skin that overlap the sides of the nail. They hold your nail in place and protect you from the nail plate edges. So, this is the nail walls. Okay? Hindi lang bahay mga may wall, pati mga nail. Ito yung pinaka-wall niya. Okay? Okay. So, the following we discuss is that the structure part of the nail. That is, repeat, the free edge, the nail plate, the lunula, the cuticle, the matrix, the nail bed, the nail wall, and then the hyphenation. Okay? Okay, for activity, I have prepared that a board. Okay, this is the rubrics. Label. Label the parts of the structure of the nail using the prepared tags here, words. So try to put this on the proper places so that you can identify the parts of the nail. Okay. Same with you, try now. Okay. Label it properly if you understand the discussion. Where's that lunula? Remember this lunula? Next, hyphenation. Where's hyphenation? Nail bed. Ayan na, nagigising. Okay, how about that? What's the nail wall? What's the nail wall? Okay. Okay, very good. Let's check if you got it all correctly. For number one, yes, pre-edge, very good, correct. Nail plate, missing, garor. Lunula, cuticle, hyponychium, yes. Nail wall, nail bed, and then the matrix. Very good. Now you can now label, or you are now familiar about the structure or parts of the nails. That's very good. Okay? So, what is the importance of knowing the structure of our nails? Bakit mahalagang malaman natin yung mga parts ng ating mga kuko? Any idea? Oo, para malaman natin yung pinaka-sensitive na part ng ating kuko na dapat hindi natin ito dinadami, the matrix. Yun ang pinaka-important part kasi doon tumutubo yung mga bagong kuko. The matrix, okay? Okay, for next activity, kindly bring out 1/4 of paper and using the answer box here. Fill in the blanks. Okay, for number one, if you cannot read clearly, I will read. Free edge is the part of the nail that can be filled and shaped. It is an extension of the blank that overlaps the hyphenation. What's that? Extension of the. For number 2, blank are the folds of the skin that overlap the sides of the nail. It holds your nail in place and protects the nail plate edge. Okay. Number 3, nail bed is a part of the nail that the nail plate blank on. Also a continuation of the matrix. It is abundantly supplied with blood vessels and nerves, having numerous parallel ridges, which dovetail exactly with the ridges on under the surface of the nail plate. Under the nail plate, what's that? And number 5, new cells matrix is the only living reproducing part of the nail. This is situated directly below the blank. What's that? For number 1, let's check. You got it? Nail plate. Nail plate is the overlaps of the hyphenation. Remember, this is the nail plate. For number 2 are the folds of the skin that overlap the sides of the nail. What is that? That is nail 1. Okay. For number 3, nail bed is a part of the nail that the nail plate blank on. What's that? It's the rest. Okay. For number 4, matrix is the only living and producing part of the nail. This is situated directly below the. What do you think the answer? Below the. Yes, very good. And next. For number 5, is the skin just under the free edge of your nail. This is what we call high. Yes. The only living reproducing part of the nail is the where the nail grows. The most sensitive part of the nail. Matrix. Very good. And lastly, the pearly colored and crescent shape. O, pag nahulog yun, makakulog ka ng adias. Yes, the lunula, the half moon, pearly shape, mga ganyan ang term doon, ang mga word. And pearly colored and crescent shape. And lastly, the part of the nail that can be filled and shaped. Very good. That's a good idea that you learned the lesson. Okay, for your assignment, look for the internet for the different kind of nail shapes so that we can learn what those shapes are available about nail care so that we can determine what's the best nail shape on our nails. Okay?
Yes.
So that's all. Thank you for coming. That's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.